This is a review of the ENJUCOM 32.8-foot waterproof LED strip light set. Inside the box you get a connector to connect multiple strip lights together, an AC power strip, the wall adapter, the remote, another AC adapter, and the LED strips themselves. Connecting the unit to power is very simple. You just plug in the wall adapter to AC power, and then once you do that, you find the white brick connector, plug that into the adapter, and you get two outputs on the end. You line up the arrow on the LED strip and the power, and you will have light on your lights. One of the two lengths included was enough to fill my entire kitchen window with some room to spare. Honestly, these lights are bright enough that they can be used as a primary light source in a kitchen, bathroom, or even closet. What's extra nice about these is their waterproof durability and the adhesive on the back that's included. Thanks for watching.